Hello friends, welcome to my channel Words and Expressions. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I request to stay with us till the end. In this video, we are going to discuss where to use accept and where to use agree, the word abridge and the expressions by their own account and put someone in mind of someone or something. First, we are going to discuss the difference between accept or agree. Or in other words, we are going to discuss when to use accept and when to use agree. When one accepts an invitation, job or offer, she or he says yes to something which is offered. And accept is never followed by another verb. For example, if I say, they offered me the job and I have accepted to take it, this is wrong because word accept can't be followed by another verb, as in here to take. So I have to say, they offered me the job and I have accepted it. Usage of agree. When one agrees to do something, one says that she or he will do something which someone asks him or her to do. For example, they offered me the job and I agreed to take it. Number 3, abridge. It is a verb. It means to make a book, play or a piece of writing shorter by removing details and unimportant information. We can use it as the book was abridged for children. One more example is, I have only read the abridged version of her novel. Number 4, by their own account. It means what one claims or says is true. We can use it as, by his own account, he is quite wealthy. One more example is, he was by his own account an ambitious workaholic. Our last expression is, put someone in mind of someone or something. It means reminds someone of someone or something. For example, this event puts me in mind of an amusing incident. One more example is, this place puts me in mind of the village where I was brought up. Let us give a quick revision. When one accepts an invitation, job or offer, he or she says yes to something which is offered. And when one agrees to do something, one says that he or she will do something which someone asks you to do. The word abridge means to make a book, play or piece of writing shorter by removing details and unimportant information. The expression by their own account means what one claims or says is true. And the last one, put someone in mind of someone or something, means reminding someone in mind of someone or something. So here we have completed today's 5 words and expressions. Any type of suggestions will be highly appreciated. Feel free to ask your queries in the comment box. Thank you.